Having trouble getting your laptop to detect a second monitor? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that usually works on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and are on your keyboard at the same time to open the run. box.typedev mgmt.msc and press Enter to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics driver and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the rollback button is grayed out, go to your graphics card manufacturer's website. Download a previous driver version and install it manually. After that, restart your computer and check if the monitor is now detected. If not, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display at the top. Select the display you want to adjust. Make sure both screens are set to the same refresh rate under Choose a Refresh Rate. If you've tried all that and it's still not working, double-check your cables and ports and make sure your monitor is turned on and set to the correct input. Hope this helped. If it did, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this one. Thanks for watching.